DGET is a supercharged database lookup formula in Excel, letting you extract a single value with precision. Just enter the customer number, and DGET will pull the customer name, phone, and email. No searching, no scrolling. Let's retrieve the customer's name to start. In cell B14, enter equals DGET, open parenthesis. Select our database, including headers, so cell A1 to D11, comma, name in quotes, comma. Select our customer number input cells, so cell A13 to A14, close parenthesis. Now press enter. Done. Now when we enter a customer number into the customer number cell, it will look up the name. Now let's do the phone and email. In cell C14, enter equals DGET, open parenthesis. Select our database, including headers, so cell A1 to E11, comma, phone in quotes, comma. Select our customer number input cells, so cell A13 to A14, close parenthesis. Now press enter. Our phone DGET lookup is now working. For the email, let's go one more time. In cell D14, enter equals DGET, open parenthesis. Select our database, including headers, so cell A1 to D11, comma, email in quotes, comma. Select our customer number input cells, so cell A13 to A14, close parenthesis. Now press enter. DGET errors and fixes. Hashtag NUM error. There is no data for DGET to lookup. Make sure there is a customer number for DGET to lookup in cell A15. Let's double check our customer database. Also, there is a duplicate customer number for customer 110. We could either update our customer number or remove the record to fix this. Hashtag value error. This error means no matching record was found or there were multiple matches. DGET should only be used when looking up unique results. Let's double check our phone formula, where we can see that phone value is not correct. Update this to fix the hashtag value error. Hashtag REF error. The database range is incorrect or missing columns. Double-check the database range in your formula. Improved error handling. To handle errors better, we can customize our DGET formula to show not found instead. To do this, let's update our DGET formula. Click cell B14. Type equals if error, open parenthesis, DGET, open parenthesis. Select our database range, comma, name in quotes, comma. Select our customer number input header and input cell, close parenthesis, comma, not found in quotes, close parenthesis. Now press enter. The name cell will show not found instead of hashtag errors. Let's go through the syntax. Database, the range containing your data, including headers, our database of customer details. Field, the column name or index number from which to extract the value. The column header that we want to return / extract name, phone, or email. Criteria, a range specifying the conditions the data must meet, customer number input by user. DGET is a powerful lookup tool, especially for retrieving details like phone numbers and emails. But remember, it only works when one unique result exists. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like, subscribe for more Excel tips, and let us know in the comments. Do you use DGET? Or do you prefer XLOOKUP?